Welcome to the USA Learns website. In this video, I'll show you how to successfully complete the English courses in USA Learns. You'll learn how to use the menu pages, how to move from one activity to the next, and how to read your scores. After you register and select the English course you want to study, you'll go to the course's first menu page. What should you select first? It's always a good idea to start at the beginning. In this example, you would click on Unit 1. On the next menu page, you should select the first English lesson. In this example, you'd select the link that reads Introduction and Vocabulary. On this page, you are almost ready to start your first activity. Just select the first activity link to start learning English. In this example, you would select the word Welcome. Here is an example of a USA Learns activity page. The first thing you should do is to read and follow the instructions. You should select the Listen button to hear the teacher talking. You should also read the words on the page. And when you're done, select the Next button to go to the next activity. At the end of each lesson, you'll see a page that shows your score and asks what you want to do next. If you received a score of 80% or higher, continue to the next activity, or you can do it again for more practice. If your score was less than 79%, you should do the activity again to improve your English. If you want to select a different lesson, unit, topic, or English course, select the menu link located in the top right corner of the page. Depending on the page, the link will say Lesson Menu, Unit Menu, Topic, or Course Menu. In this example, the Lesson Menu link will open the lesson list. Now, let's look at how the scoring works on USA Learns. On the Unit, Topic, Lesson, and Activity menu pages, there will be a column named Completed and a column for your score. These columns tell you which activities you have started or completed and your scores. You will see boxes, lines, dots, and scores. What do the boxes in the Completed column mean? A solid square in this column means that you've completed this activity. A half square means that you started this activity, but you did not complete it. If the square is empty, that means you've not yet started this activity. What does the Score column mean? A line in the Score column means that this activity will never be scored, such as a reading activity. A dot in this column means that this activity will be scored after you complete it. A number in the Score column means you completed this activity, and the number you see here is your percent score. What if you want a better score? You're welcome to repeat an activity as many times as you want. Studying the English courses many times is an excellent way to get more practice and improve your English skills. We hope that this video has given you some helpful information about USA Learns. If you're ready to start learning English now, please visit the USA Learns homepage at usalearns.org and click the Start Now button.